fabric friends, my name is Melissa and welcome back to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel. Gift giving season is just around the corner, and what better way to gift your handmade makes by wrapping them with fabric. But not just any fabric, AGF's soft luxurious rayon. I recently learned about Furoshiki, which is the art of Japanese fabric wrapping, and I love the idea of wrapping your gifts in fabric because it's not only eco-friendly, it's also so gorgeous and elegant. In today's video, I will show you 3 of my favorite ways to wrap my presents and 3 AGF rayons to go with. If you're new to working with rayon, this tutorial is a perfect first project to get you started. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video to see 3 different ways to reuse your fabric wrapping. All right, makers, let's get to wrapping. Now pick your favorite AGF rayons. Grab some decorative elements to match, and gather all your gifts. Impress your loved ones with gorgeously wrapped gifts, and with a gift that keeps on giving. Choose from 3 fun fabric wraps. All of them are super easy to master, and have fun adding the special touches. I'm wrapping a gift that is 9 by 9 and 3 inches tall. I found the perfect size fabric square for a gift this size is a 30-inch square. To cut my square from the fabric, I am working with a 33-inch long piece of fabric, and AGF rayons are 54 inches in width. I folded my fabric in half, matching up the selvages, and then I folded it in half again. This makes it easier to cut out my 30-inch square. Line your folded fabric up to your cutting mat and measure out 15 inches, and cut on each raw edge corner to reveal your 30-inch square. Repeat this process one more time to create 2 squares. To have a beautifully finished fabric wrap, you will need to place your squares right sides together. Grab some wonder clips and line up the edges of your fabric around your entire piece. Now sew around your entire piece at 1/4 inch. Making sure the needle is in the down position at the corners, lift your presser foot and reposition your fabric and put the presser foot back down and continue sewing. Repeat this process until you sew around your entire piece. Stop sewing about 3 inches from where you started. Leave a small unsewn portion to flip your piece through. Go ahead and clip your corners at the seam allowance to reduce any bulk. Stick your hand in the unsewn portion and pull your fabric square right side out. Give your piece a nice press with an iron on a low heat setting. Once your seams are flat, we will sew as close to the edge on our fabric square to give our edges a beautiful finish while closing up the unsewn portion. Now our fabric square is ready for wrapping. For the first simple fabric wrap, lay your fabric square flat on the table on the diagonal. Place your gift in the center of your wrap. Pull the bottom corner over your gift and let the corner overhang. Take your top corner and pull it over your gift so it fits snugly around your gift. Fold your fabric in on the sides of your gift till they match in the middle. Repeat this on the other side to create your ties. Pull both ends over your gift and tie a single knot. Before you make your last knot, place a decorative element of your choice in the center. Tie another knot to secure your gift and decorative elements. To make the tie look pretty, take your time fluffing each end till it looks just right. For the next fabric wrap, you will also place your fabric square on the diagonal. Grab your top and bottom corner and pull together to make the corners match to find the center. Tie these corners together, pulling your ends to the sides of your gift. Grab your left end and tie it to the corner closest to it. Repeat this same process to the other side of your gift. Make sure your ends are even on both sides. Before we make our last knot, grab your decor elements to tie into your gifts. Place in the center or on each tie. Make one more knot on each side, securing your gift in decor elements. This last fabric wrap, which I think is the easiest wrap of them all, you will need to place your fabric straight up and down. Pull the bottom edge of your fabric up and over your gift, and line the edge up with the edge of your present. Pull the top of your fabric square to the center of your gift. Straighten out your fabric wrap on both sides so everything is laying flat. Now fold your sides in on both sides and grab both of your tails and pull to the center. Grab both ends with one hand and take a matching elastic tie and wrap around the fabric ends twice to secure your gift. Fluff your ends to create a beautiful blooming fabric flower. Stick your decorative decor into the sides to add your special touch. I loved showing you the fun ways to wrap your gifts, but the fun doesn't end here. Reuse your fabric wraps by tying it into your hair for a fresh, feminine touch. Wrap it around your neck and use as a fashionable scarf. Or tie it around your bag strap to add a pop of color and a bit of sass. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. It is snowing outside and it is giving me all of the holiday cheer. And I am just in awe on how these presents turned out, and I can't wait to start gift wrapping my presents for all of my loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And also, I would love to hear what your favorite AGF rayons are, so make sure to comment below. And until next time, happy sewing.